Hello, this is Megan Alves with CoolCleveland.com, and we are here with Clement Kunkle of Cleveland Curiosities, my favorite shop in town. Let's find out a little more about all the interesting and spooky things he carries. So Clement, can you tell me what you sell in this amazing shop of yours?
So Megan, we're the #1 leading oddity shop in Cleveland. We offer a wide variety of taxidermy, animal skeletons, some human specimens, antiques, funerary antiques, church antiques, medical stuff. Just everything that piques people's interest we offer here.
So how did you get into such an unusual profession?
So when I was younger, when I was like 13, I started with bug pinning and skull collecting, and then it just kind of progressed into what it is now. After doing it for so long, I started getting to different fields of this, and it just turned into what the shop is now.
Do you work alone, or do you have a partner in crime?
I do have my wife working here. You will see her most of the time if I'm not here. She's able to help you out with whatever, and she is very versed in everything in the store. So she's a right hand here. I'll tell you that.
So finally, where do you get all these interesting things in the shop? Where do you come by them?
So after doing this for so long, I've kind of just met someone for everything. So we get all the animals from just different people throughout the U.S. I work with local zoos and some more private zoos. When an animal passes, it goes through an autopsy process. Sometimes we can get it, and then from there we get the skull or we get it taxidermied. When it comes to the antiques, I try and help out smaller funeral firms that are closing. We go to a lot of estate sales, just, basic stuff.
But if you had to pick one thing in the shop right now that is your favorite, what is it?
So my new favorite thing that we just got was a 1920s lioness skull. It came from a California zoo, and it was an old teaching specimen that the kids used to be able to check out. We just got that in about a week ago, and it's legal to sell within the state of Ohio, which is awesome. So I know that's been a big crowd pleaser. Everybody comes in and they're like, "This is insane! It's a lion skull." So I love that. That's one of the new items that's a big hit.
So there you have it, Cleveland Curiosities, the most interesting spooky shop in town. Come on by. See all the beautiful, weird things for Halloween. Megan Alves with Cool Cleveland, signing off.